Hello kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel Paperpen. This is Charu. Today we learn the animal body parts. Body parts of chicken. Comb. C-O-M-B. Comb. Eye. E-Y-E. Eye. Hackles. 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 Wings. 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 Tail. 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 Leg. Leg. Breast. Breast. Wattle. Wattle. Beak. Beak. Body parts of fish. Head. 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 Eye. Eye. Mouth. Mouth. Pectoral fin. Pectoral. Pectoral. Fin. Caudal fin. Caudal. Caudal. Fin. Body. Body. Dorsal fin. Dorsal. Fin. Body parts of elephant. Head. Head. Eye. Eye. Ear. Ear. Tail. Tail. Body. Body. Foot. Foot. Leg. Leg. Mouth. Mouth. Trunk. Trunk. Body parts of cat. Tail. Tail. Fur. Fur. Leg. Leg. Paw. Paw. Whisker. Whisker. Mouth. Mouth. Nose. Nose. Eye. Eye. Ear. Ear. Body parts of bee. Head. Head. Antenna. Antenna. Eye. Eye. Sting. S-T-I-N-G, sting. Body, B-O-D-Y, body. Wings, W-I-N-G-S, wings.